Today I'm going to be unboxing this Flo-Master battery power sprayer. Let's go see what this thing could do. So here we have the tank itself. The extension one. The charger. Lithium battery. You have the shoulder strap. So here we have the battery charger with a USB cord. Have the lithium battery. It's not a standard. Looks like a AA, but it's not. It's a little bigger than that. No. On and off. Once you turn it off, it continues spraying for a little while. I'm not sure why, but yeah. So how does this thing compare to a regular pump sprayer? Well, by using this for a couple years, or so, this is my main one that I have. I could tell you that the pump sprayer has more pressure, way more pressure than this battery powered one. It's a nice little sprayer and stuff like that, but I don't recommend it for yard treatments like fertilizers and stuff like that. yeah, like I said, for applications around your home, this is perfect. I mean, you know, it's a good little sprayer, but for lawns, which is something that I purchased it for, it's not working for me. So I'd rather just keep my regular Scott's punch sprayer, but this is just not working for me. So if you're in the market for a Flo-Master cheap battery sprayer, just do insecticide applications around the home, this is perfect for you. But I do not recommend it for lawn applications and stuff like that. So I really appreciate you watching this video. If you like the content, please give it a like. Positivity is key. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.